day at the shop. What we're gonna do here today now, we gotta take one of my cars out of here. I'm gonna be taking the Levin Corolla to my house, so we can create some space in the shop, because as you can see, we don't have any space to work, and that's gonna be a problem. So first, what I have to do now, we have to get the beam out the way first. Then I have to take the trailer out, and then I can get the Levin out. I'm not gonna work on this car right now at the moment. So, you know, the cars that we're not really gonna be working on right now, we can just get them out of the way. So this car is drivable, so I'm just gonna, like I said, take it to my house and put it in the garage. I'm just waiting for my friend to get here now, so we can he can help me move this car out. My boy finally showed up to help me. So yeah, the Lambo's gonna get done, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah, the racking pinion is not connected, so this is why I have to kick the front wheels. So those of you that wondering why I don't get in the car and steer. Unfortunately, I forgot I don't have a battery in this damn car. So now I have to take the battery out from another car. This one. So I'm gonna take the battery from the black hatchback, and I'm gonna put it in the Levin, so I can crank it up and drive it up on the trailer. So, hey. What are you gonna do with my keys? Oh, look what this side is here. Film this guy. We're gonna have to film this session. Alright. So here I do.
Yeah, that was. No, I ain't no shit road camera. Yeah, hello guys. I'm not.
I ain't got nothing to say. Except for good side. This guy. So many cars. You going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit, that's a Lambo. 6. If you got memory on it, it'll run for a long time. So this thing actually sitting on a. Oh my god, dog. I ain't gonna doubt it just yet, dog.
Alright, so now I'm gonna take a look out.
Alright, crank.
I haven't started this car in months, so let's see what happens.
No worries, dog. I'll crank one shot. Like a charm. Merv need to finish his starlet. Back to the Porsche again.
We're gonna get to all the cars eventually.
Well, I'm waiting for this one. And this one.
Tell them about your car.
My Supra. Ain't make up my mind 100% yet, but right now I'm leaning towards this reconditioning the 7M GTE to start with, so I can have something to play with. Good junk, I guess you would call this. Not sure how Mr. Chin would take that. Everything. Lambo parts, Porsche parts, Datsun parts, parts. Trying not to get a license plate either. Oh, you got the antique tag? Yes.
What's wrong with you, man?
Antique tag.
Alright guys, so finally got the car up on the trailer. Easy process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and strap them down and I'll be on my way. Another day in the shop. It's time to get some more cars out of here. Next up on the chopping board is gonna be the black hatchback. So this is another car that's gonna go to my house, and so we can create some more space in the shop, and so we can get started on some of these projects for you guys. So this is next on the chopping block. Alright, so this is the famous AE86 Trueno. Of course the battery's dead. I gotta get this thing jumping. Man, snap on, man, you guys, this jumper pack is nice, but the only thing you guys did to make this thing too heavy, man. Heavy ass jumper pack, man. And I do love my snap on. Don't mind that I'm wearing a Mac shirt. Time to get him up on the tree. I know she looks a little rough right now, but when I'm done with this, you won't believe it's the same car. You can see I have my car. I got lucky with we had the Trueno bumper on it. That's the original OEM Trueno bumper. So I'm planning to fully JDM all the lights. In fact, come on this side. I basically have everything brand new from Toyota already. And just give you guys a little quick view. So this is the just like the Levin, this is getting all the JDM goodies. So this is the red line garnish. This is gonna be the front side marker lights already. These are brand new stuff. Brand new from Toyota, the original package. The side marker light that goes in the front. Got the little garnish that goes in the flip light, brand new. I'm gonna set up this car real nice, man. This is a decal in the box. I'm not gonna take it out, but this is like the GTS decal that goes on the door. Yeah. Got the brand new in the box. The red line hatchback lights, those are going on. All original stuff, like I said. This is just another front side marker lights. I don't think we're missing anything here. Another front side marker light. Oh, this is the fender light that goes here. Come on. The one that sits here. Oh, on the other side. This is the one that sits here in this corner. So, as you can see, brand new from Toyota. Brand new and original package still. So this car has everything already, man. It's just for me to get to it. And you know, first of all, this car is gonna get stripped and it's gonna go to the paint shop. Well, I have to do some metal work on this too. And it's gonna go to the paint shop. The interior is gonna get done. The seats are gonna get reupholstered. And like my Levin, I'm not gonna do too much aftermarket stuff. Most likely gonna keep the original seats, just get them reupholstered, and you know, just heat them up, take the tints off. I'm gonna put some nice wheel on it, lower it. The only thing I'm missing, I think the only thing I need for this car now is the I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet, but maybe in the future I might change my mind. The side skirt, and I'm thinking about getting the front lip for it.
Change it.
But that's later on down the line, if I decide to do it.
Decide to do it.
Alright, so let me get her up on the trailer now, get her strapped down, and we can make that 2-hour drive and put her next to her sister. Get a little organization in the shop and clean up a little bit. So now this is how we're looking. We still got a lot of stuff to organize and get off the floors. get that started out, but we're making progress. We're starting to create a little space in here now. Once we get the lifts are gonna go right here in the front, and we're probably gonna drop another one just a little behind the Civic, and then the left side over here is gonna be the storage area, and that should be good. But yeah, I did a little organization now. One less car is gone. Have a little space over here now. This is gonna be the work area over here. We're gonna put some tables over here with all kind of press and all that stuff we need to get the project done for you guys. And yeah, so I did a little something today. Looking forward to start working on these classic JDM and European cars. Get out of my damn car, man. My damn nephew, man. He just, every time he comes here, he likes to sit in the Porsche. Freaking guy. Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up like I said. Guys, finally made it to the house here. I don't know what happened to this damn tire on the trailer, but as soon as I got out of the truck, I have a damn blowout. I don't know how that's possible, but whatever. And now it won't inflate on me, so now I have to get this car off the trailer with a flat tire. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are both of my Corollas, and they're finally rest in place where they will sit and store until it's time to go under the knife. So we have the Levin and the Trueno ready to go under the knife. This is where they'll sit for a few months until I can get to them. Alright.
Now existence is something that is spontaneous. Your hair grows by itself. Your heart beats by itself. You breathe pretty much by itself. You don't have voluntary control of these things. So we say it happens.